arms, legs, feet well inside the train at all times. Please supervise your children, keeping them seated to the inside with a responsible adult on it. At the right opening. For the comfort courtesy of others, there is no eating, drinking, or smoking while on board. Those two whistles have service for forward motion, so sit back, relax, work. All aboard!
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're headed for Fantasyland and to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated. Keep your hands and arms, feet, and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye out. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. American haven't changed much since the days when settlers started heading west. Nowadays, rails can carry us safely through the wild, and a trip that used to take months will now be made in just a few weeks. There's plenty of deer, antelope, and elk feed along the banks of the river. And naturally, plenty of early settlers decided to put down stakes simply here too. Of course, those early settlers weren't the first to make their home in this wild frontier. These native tribes of Plains Indians live in hunting.
Please put the left child back on your lap, please. Thank you.
The American plains, long before our big old iron horses started chugging through these parts. We're almost out of the woods, folks. We're coming up on the most magical land, Fantasyland, a place where all dreams can come true. Fly away with Peter Pan. Set sail on It's a Small World. Take a trip under the sea with the Little Mermaid. Be our guest at an enchanted feast in the Beast's castle. Or journey into the Seven Dwarfs mine, where 1,000,000 diamonds shine. Whether you're a pixie, a princess, or just an everyday dreamer, there's always something special about Fantasyland.
12 or 12:30.
Circus would come to town on the local road. Well, the circus is here, and it's set up permanent. This is the place to fly high with Dumbo, or join Goofy on the Barnstormer, a frolicking ride of circus acrobatics and coaster thrills.
Something's going on up there.
To the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now,
Please pull your feet inside the train, please. First car, please pull your foot back inside the train, please.
Art, is that you?
No.
that way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those of you disembarking, please watch your step. Thank you.
If your leg is hanging outside the train, please pull your leg back inside the train, please. In the very first car, thank you. As a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated till the train comes to a full and complete stop. I'll give you an all clear when it is safe to exit. Till that time, please remain fully seated and on the train. Again, wait for the 2 words of all clear. Stay seated. Stay seated. Now you're all clear. Please watch your head and step as you exit the train.